Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to Standard 4th for the new academic year. My name is Jaswant Kaur and I'm going to teach you maths. Now this is the front cover of your Standard 4th maths textbook. Now let us see the contents in this part 1. Okay, these are the part 1 contents which we are going to do for the first term. Now first chapter is about geometrical figures. Here you can see children, chapter 1 geometrical figures. This is part 1. We are going to do in parts of this chapter. Okay children, now what is the content outline? Yes, what we are going to learn in this chapter, we are going to learn about angles, circle, geometrical figures, sides and vertices in this first chapter. Now before we start the chapter, let me ask you a few questions. You all must have studied about shapes in third standard, isn't it? Yes, so you must be aware of different shapes. Yes? Okay, name some geometrical shapes. Yes, triangle, square, circle, rectangle. Okay, very good. Okay, name some objects that are circular in shape. Yes, you know the meaning of circular, na? Round shape. Yes. Ball, sun, coin, bangle, cartwheel, wheel of a bicycle, car. Yes, very good. So you know there are different things which you see in your surroundings which are circular in shape. So today we are going to learn about geometrical figures. Now before we proceed with our chapter, I am going to show you something. Now in this slide, what you see children? Yes, you see a small dot. That dot is called a point. It is called a point in mathematics. Okay. What is this children? Yes, you can see here. Can you see the two dots in red? Yes. And the two dots are joined by a line. So it is called a line segment. What it is called? Line segment. Yes. Now you can see the two points. Okay, point means you cannot go beyond the point. It is like a full stop. You cannot extend the segment. So it is called a line segment. Yes, here what you see children? Both the sides you see two arrow marks. Yes, now what is the meaning of arrow mark? That you can extend the line both the sides. Okay, the arrow mark shows that you can extend that part. So it is called a line. What it is called? A line. Okay, now next is what children? Can you see this dot? Point at one end and other side what you see? An arrow. Yes. So what it is called? It is called a ray. Whenever there is a point and an arrow on the other side, it is called a ray. So our today's topic, that is angles, it is related to ray. That is what we are going to learn today. Now what is an angle children? Here you can see in this picture. Yes, you can see two rays, ray 1 and ray 2. Both the rays are meeting at a common end point. Yes, can you see the common end point? What it is called? It is called a vertex. What it is called? Vertex. So how you will define an angle? An angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. When two rays are meeting together, they have a common end point, and then an angle is formed. So remember the definition. Okay. So after this we will see examples of angles. As you are going out or you are on the way, you are in the house, you see so many things around you, isn't it? So if you observe carefully, you will see that in many things you will see that the angle is formed. Now here in this picture, what do you see in this picture? Yes, you see a tree and two children are standing near the tree. Can you see that red lines? Yes, the red lines are showing what? Angles. Yes. So here you can see angles are formed between the tree trunk and its branches. Yes, understood children? What is this picture about? Yes, this is the picture of an electric pole. Yes, here also can you see that red line drawn showing angle? Yes, here also there is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. If you see the electric pole and the ground, an angle is formed. Okay, in third picture what you see? Yes, there is a house and there is a ladder beside the house. Can you see that red line showing angle? Yes. So here also the ladder makes an angle with the ground. Understood? Here you can see the angle is made between what? Between the ladder and the with the ground. Okay, what is this picture about children? Where you see this picture? Where you see this thing? Yes, in a garden. When you go out to play, maybe in your building there is a slide, or in the garden you go and play. So it is the picture of a slide. Can you see the red line showing the angles? Yes. We see angles between the ground and the slide. So these are some of the examples of angles. Now we will see what are the different types of angles. Now you understood very well what is an angle, isn't it? Now we will see what are the different types of angle. There are three types of angle: right angle, acute angle, yes, and obtuse angle. So we are going to learn about one angle in detail. So first we are going to see right angle. Now what is a right angle? The angle that measures 90 degree is called a right angle. How much degree it should be? 19 degree. And what should be the shape of a right angle? It's a straight L shape. Which shape? L shape. Okay. Whenever the angle that measures 90 degree, it is called a right angle. I'll show you example of right angle. Now in this picture, what you see, the first picture is about a book. So if you see the book, can you see that arrow mark which is shown in the book? Yes. So this arrow mark, what does it shows? It shows the two adjacent sides of a book makes a right angle. You can see the adjacent sides of a book? Yes. So which angle it makes? Right angle. Now in second picture what you see, the time is showed, isn't it? How much time? Yes, 3 o'clock. So here also if you see the hands of the clock, what you will see? The hands of a clock. It's a straight L shape. So which angle does it makes? Right angle. Very good. Our next is which type of angle? Acute angle. Now what is the definition of acute angle? An angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Now what is an angle which is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. Now I'll show you some examples of acute angle. Here, what do you see in the first picture? Yes, it is shown a slice of a pizza. Now, when you see the slice of the pizza, you have seen the arrow mark is shown. Yes. So, the arrow mark is shown just to clear the angle. Which type of angle does it makes? Yes, it is an example of acute angle. Now, in the second picture, how much time is shown? 2 o'clock. Okay, very good. So here also if you see the hands of the clock, it makes an, yes, acute angle. Now the third type of angle. What is the name of the third type of angle? Yes, obtuse angle. Now what is the definition of obtuse angle, children? An angle that is bigger than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. What it is called? Obtuse angle. It means the angle which is more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angle. Okay, now we will see the examples of obtuse angle. Now in this picture, what you see, children? First picture. Yes, it is the picture of a hand fan. Now if you observe the arrow marks, yes, you see, it is not a straight L. Neither the hands are coming very close. It is going far, isn't it? So which angle does it makes? Obtuse angle. Now second example is of a hockey stick. Even if you see the sides of a hockey stick, which angle does it makes? Yes, it makes which angle? Obtuse angle. Very good. Now, we have already understood about angles, right? You have learnt about right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Now, let me ask you few questions. Yes, children? Are you ready? Okay. Now, I'm going to show you some pictures. You have to see the picture and name the angles formed in the following pictures. So, we will begin with the first picture. Now, here in the first picture, what do you see? Yes, it is the picture of an aeroplane. Yes, can you see the arrow mark showing? Now, you have to see the arrow mark and tell me, does it makes? Very good. Which angle? Obtuse angle. Very good, children. Okay. Now, second picture. What is the second picture about? Yes, it is a slice of cake. Yes. If you see the slice of cake, which angle does it makes in this picture? Can you see the arrow mark? Yes, tell me. It is at which angle? Acute angle. Now we will see the second slide. In the second slide, what do you see first picture? Yes, you can see the roof of a house. Very good. Can you see the red line showing the arrow mark of an angle? Yes. Which angle is formed on the roof of a house here? Yes. It is which angle? Right angle. Very good. Now, third picture. Second picture. What do you see in the second picture? It is the picture of what? It is the picture of a windmill. Very good. You see na windmills? While going out of Maharashtra, if you go, or out of Bombay, if you go at some places, you may see windmills. Yes. Now here also you can see an angle is drawn. Yes. Which type of angle it is? Obtuse angle. Very good. Which angle? Obtuse angle. Now next one. Yes. What do you see in the first picture here? It's a slice of yummy watermelon. You all eat the watermelon now in summer season? Yes, you must be enjoying eating watermelon at home, isn't it? When you cut a slice, observe at home which angle does it makes. Yes. Here you can see the arrow mark. Which angle it is? Very good. Acute angle. Which angle? Acute angle. Yes. Now next picture is of a blackboard. Where you see blackboard? In your class. You're missing your class now, children? Yes. You see a blackboard in a class. Now, if you see a blackboard, you see the arrow marks? Yes. Which angle does it makes? Yes, it's a straight L, right? So, which angle it is? It is a right angle. Very good, children. Oh God, what I've shown in this first picture? Yes, it is the mouth of a crocodile. Yes, if you see the angle formed, yes, in the mouth of a crocodile. Which angle it is? Yes, very good. Acute angle. Okay, now next picture. You all are enjoying to see TV at home, isn't it? Yes. Now if you see the adjacent sides of a TV, yes, can you see that L mark, L shape, red line showing the arrow mark? Which angle it is making? Which angle it will be formed then? Yes, it is a right angle. Very good, children. Okay. You use scissors, na? Pair of scissors? Yes, when you are using your craft work. Okay. So, you see the red mark showing the ah, sides of a scissor. Red lines are showing na with arrow marks. Which angle does it makes? Yes, which angle? Acute angle. Very good, children. Very good. Okay, now next. Now what is the time shown in this clock? 9 o'clock. So, the hands of the clock, which angle does it makes? Right angle. Very good. Which angle? Right angle. Now, I hope you all must have understood the chapter very clearly. After this video, I have given home activity to do. And children, you have to do that home activity in your book. Now, see you in the next class. Thank you.